Nancy Hutchinson, KEDC, Kentucky Education Development Corporation. This is Dr. Rachel Holbrook, Head of Technology and Innovation at the Kentucky Education Development Corporation. We are in exciting InfoComm in Orlando, Florida. We are lucky enough to be here at our Pixel booth where we have purchased some wonderful technology and innovation, and it's going to go in our technology and AI lab that's going to roll around to the state of Kentucky.
We're excited to have PixelFLEX as one of our sponsors for our AI Summit, and it's the first in the state of Kentucky directed for educators. We're focusing on AI and how we can use it safely and securely in schools to help our teachers reach students in ways that they haven't before. So we are super excited. We're partnering with PixelFLEX to show how visualizations with AI can be made present, and we're going to have some wonderful examples of the things like we bought the globe for our mobile lab. We're going to have that there to show at our conference, and then it can go in any location and it's customizable. That's one of the big things for us when we were looking at this, is that we can make it work in different spaces. And so we have a lot of schools in our area that are building new schools, and so they want innovative things to showcase, and we feel like PixelFLEX offers a variety of different types of video walls and LED walls for different areas.
We came to the InfoComm conference, which we've done for the last 4 or 5 years. As soon as we got to the PixelFLEX booth, we knew what we wanted. We were excited about the product, and they were wonderful to work with and still are. We're excited.